Whoa. Whoa. Beep. Whoa. Spin out. Yeah. The weather's pretty bad. Yeah, the first spin out of the day. Come on, car, slow down. Oh, I better hurry home. Well, it's the day after Christmas. And I'm walking home from the drugstore. Oh, hold on a second. Let me put my glove on. Hand's starting to hurt. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. The weather's kind of okay, but well, it sucks. Which is why pedestrians like me should be at home, sitting on our butts at home. Or I should have gone out this morning and got my stuff. But I dozed off and this is what happened. Bad, so bad. But this is it so far on the day after Christmas. It's kind of dangerous to be around this area since it curves a lot and there's not much space between the street and the curb. See right here where my foot is that's the street with all that dirty slush. Most of my footprints gotten covered up by now. And I hate this battery on this Corrado Vado HD camera. 2 years and it's gone bad. I don't know if I can replace it or not. They discontinued it. Ooh. Well, someone knocked over a sign already. It was up. That sign was up. When I passed by it before. Should have taped it before, but well, this will be it for now, since this thing is about to die. Bad battery. Bad battery. So, happy after Christmas, or Merry after Christmas. Stay inside. Bye-bye.